In some cases, regular practice of pranayam helps to improve even the cataract in due course of time. That you don't need operation. Obscuring membrane may reduce. It seems unbelievable. You may also think that I am talking of miracles, but it really happens. That is why I am claiming. Millions of people become blind due to some disorder in cornea or retina. Another million become blind because they suffer from Safed Motia, Kala Motia. That is cataract and glaucoma. Glaucoma and cataract. That they can be cured without operation. This actually is beyond imagination. In reality, I myself never thought that yoga may help cure cataract. But when some intelligent people practice pranayam, again they went for a test and they found one eye was operated, and when they went for a second operation, after having practiced pranayam for 2 months, the problem of cataract was eradicated. Cataract may be cured. Glaucoma, in which the eye pressure increases, may also subside. And those who wear tie may please note, wearing of tie presses one of the nerve that is directly connected to the eyes, and this adds to the pressure on your eyes. It increases the chances of glaucoma. This is one of the reasons behind poor eyesight of many youngsters. Right from the young age, they start using ties. They think that it adds to their smartness, but in the long run, it adds to their sickness. So please do remember. So, smartness is good, but more important is to have healthy eyes without any defect. If use of tie is reason behind an eye disorder, it's for you to decide what to do, tie for smartness or no tie for healthy eyes. Now it's up to you whether to wear a tie or to discontinue it. Do a loud thinking. I was discussing with you the problem of cataract, the problem of glaucoma. Yoga is most effective for them. Kapalabhati, Anulom Vilom and Brahmari Pranayama are specifically beneficial. Improvement is also seen in retinitis pigmentosa. You may not have to suffer from blindness. You will experience amazing benefits from yoga. In case of severe eye disorder, one must take support and shelter of Ayurveda, which has no side effects. Take 200 grams of Amal Ki Rasayan, 20 grams of Saptamrit Loh, 10 grams of Mukta Sukti Bhasma. In case of severe eye problem, also add 5 grams of Moti Pishti to it. Then mix all these powders. After mixing them, give 2 grams to children and a dose of 5 grams to adults, twice in the morning and evening, with water. Morning empty stomach, and in the evening at 5 to 6 p.m, couple of hours before dinner. Take it twice. It's very effective for your eyes. And if one has to prepare this medicine at home, then follow this. In its fruiting season, prepare powder of dry amla fruit in enough quantity. Say for example 1 kilo. In this powder of amla, extract amla juice every day. After mixing the juice properly, dry it in shade. Each time you extract, dry it in shade. So in the same powder of amla, you have to extract amla juice continuously for 21 days. And this only is Amal Ki Rasayan. Take 200 grams of Amal Ki Rasayan, 20 grams of Saptamrit Loh, 10 grams of Mukta Sukti Bhasma, and in the case of any severe eye problem, mix 5 grams of Moti Pishti in the same mixture. In our ashram, you will get Moti Pishti at a very low rate, equivalent to its making cost only. In ashram it's available for rupees 30, whereas in market it's sold for rupees 200. Mix everything together and consume it 1 spoon in the morning and evening. For very small kids, the dosage should be from 1 to 2 grams. There is one more Ayurvedic preparation for your eyes. Mahatriphladi Grit. Have 1 spoonful along with cow's milk. Mahatriphladi Grit. It's an effective oral medicine for eyes. Eye flu will definitely improve. You may not get the infection. Some people get this infection very fast. Their eyes develop redness. You may use this eye drop. Throughout the day, dust, smoke and soil particles surround you. In evening, just put 2 drops of this medicine in your eyes. Now one more home remedy. It is highly effective for eyes. It provides major relief in cataract, helps improve glaucoma. Eyesight may also become normal. But do remember this, it's not for children. For them I'll tell you another remedy, but first for adults. For those who are about 20 years of age, for small kids these drops will be very painful. It is especially for adults about 20 years who either use glasses or have other eye disorders. It's for them. But do remember, your eyes should not be red. If your eyes always remain red, if they always remain bloodshot, then avoid using this. Others may safely use. I wish to tell you one fact. In each of our camps there are at least 10, 20, 50 to sometimes even hundreds of people who are benefited by this medicine. So what's this medicine? Take ginger juice equivalent to 10 grams, lemon juice equivalent to 10 grams and white onion juice equivalent to 10 grams. If white onion is not available, take ordinary onion. Onion juice 10 grams, lemon juice 10 grams, ginger juice 10 grams. Please note, extract ginger juice only after peeling off its skin. Although it is possible that the home remedy that I am explaining to you may sound quite strong and you may think that it might harm your eyes. If you have never gone through any eye surgery, then just use this home remedy and see the results for yourself. From the very first day, you will feel its positive effect. We have tried this on thousands, millions of people. 10 grams each of these juices, mixed with honey equivalent to 50 grams. So mix shahad, madhu, mud, honey with juices of ginger, lemon and onion. You must peel the ginger. These juices should be well protected from moisture. Mix all 3 juices in honey and store it. In fridge, put 1 drop in each eye. Do not store this eye drop for more than 2 to 3 months. Always remember this. You may extract 1 spoon juice of all these. Take juice of white onion. If white onion is not available, ordinary onion can also be used. Juice of lemon and ginger, 1 spoonful each. Mix them in 4 to 5 spoonful of honey. You may also mix them in equal quantity, that is 3 spoonful of lemon, ginger and onion juice and 3 spoonful of honey. Just start using this eye drop. Majority of your eye disorders will improve by this. We have seen it, experienced it. That's why we are sharing this with you. If you want to use it for your children, it has to be modified a bit. Mix 5 drops of this eye drop